Hey guys, Biker Baker and Mr. Smith, candy apples, take one. I was almost have to turn that around and look at it, see what I was doing. Alright guys, we are doing the red candy apples today. So we're just going to start it off. 1 cup of water in the pot. Okay? We have a 1/4 cup of Karo syrup. Or syrup, as I would normally say.
Syrup.
Karo syrup. We're using white or light Karo syrup. And the good stuff, 2 cups of granulated sugar. Look at all that sugar going in. Alright.
White sugar.
Let's get that all stirred up in here. We're going to get this boiling. And then we're going to put a little bit of food coloring. And the food coloring that I have is Watkins. And it is all natural. It is from vegetables. So, there's no artificial dyes, it says. Never used it yet. I got this at Menards. Found it. And I was like, well, that's going to be better than this food coloring. So we're going to get the red pulled out there. So this pack is red, yellow, green, and blue. And I was at Kroger's a while ago and I saw they have it too. And they have these and they have like pale colors too. So like pastels, if you want to do those. And I'm using my new spoon that Billy made. Look, he made me a spoon for candy so I can get in the corners of the pan. And he pointed this too a little bit, so he said if I wanted to use that end to get around in there, I can. He just thinks of everything.
I'll try.
If I wanted to use it like that instead of this end. We're going to get this on the final. It's going to be 300 degrees. We are going to take this to hard crack, just like you would do making hardtack candy. After it gets to bubbling, and I put in the food dye, artificial dye. No artificial. Not artificial. No artificial.
Say it right.
Yeah. No artificial
spit it out.
dyes. All natural.
Spit it out, Smitty.
Woo! I can't. So we're going to put that in, and then we're just going to let it boil itself until 300.
Ooh, 300.
Now, if you want, you can put a little bit of red cinnamon candies in this and let them melt too with it. I am using cinnamon oil, but I'm just going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon. And if you don't want to use any of that, you don't have to. You can just make it the regular. And you don't even, if you don't want to put color in it, leave them clear. But we want red candy apples.
Yeah, they got to look red.
Yeah. And we're using Granny Smith apples. I don't know how many it'll take, so we're just winging it.
It'll take however many it takes.
It will. I've got 3 already with sticks. And I got some laying here and I got sticks. So in case I know I'm going to need more than 3. So we're going to get with it then. We're just going to see.
Now, are you putting any nuts on them? Or you
I am not.
Just putting candy coating?
I'm just leaving them plain.
Okay.
That's how I like mine.
Well, we got to have them the way you like them.
Yeah. How do you like them?
I like them that way or with nuts. Doesn't matter to me.
Because we got to try them. We got to sample.
That's pretty fancy right there now.
Alright guys, we're going to let this get up to a little bit on the degrees till it starts to boil, then we'll be right back. Alright, part 2. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to put my thermometer in there because we are boiling and we're going to see what we're going to be at here. I'm going to put some of this coloring in here. I don't know how much, just until you think it's red enough. And that ain't red enough.
Not even close.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So I don't know how much it'll take of this because, you know, I think we're going to need more.
It's probably just beet juice.
Yeah. Not looking bright, is it?
You're probably not going to get it real red.
Like a real big...
Because it's not the artificial crap.
Right. I wanted them to look pretty, though.
Oh, it will. Most important is if it tastes good. I always say I don't care what it looks like as long as it tastes good.
What was that just fell?
I didn't hear nothing.
I did. Oh, I see it. I don't know. I don't know what it was. Alright, so I'm going to let this boil come up to 300, and then we'll be back. Alright, candy apples take 3. Alright, we're at 300 degrees. I'm going to put in, like I said, just 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon oil. And this is optional. You do not have to use that at all. But I want to. Don't breathe over top of it. Even that little bit of oil will take your breath. Most definitely. All right.
What's a mighty fine looking spoon you got there, sister?
It is, isn't it? Now I need all sizes. All right, so to put the sticks in, we're just going to stick them right down in there. Put them about 3/4 of the way in. This is a lopsided apple, but all right. Let's see what we can do here. And what color it's going to be. I can't tell. What color is that? Purple?
I can't really see. Kind of a dark red.
Yeah.
Not the bright red.
Right. Not like a cherry red or strawberry. Right. All right. Well, I got some nuts here. So we're going to put a few nuts on some. Okay.
I think I'll eat that one.
We got to work
fast.
A little fast. Look good, don't they?
It smells good.
Well, that cinnamon. They say not everybody puts the cinnamon in it, but as a kid, I remember them having a little bit of a taste.
Oh, yeah, they had a tang to them.
Yeah. But anymore, they probably don't use it because everybody's trying to be cheap. And it just takes 1/8 of a teaspoon. Or like I said, you could use some of them Red Hots if you have some of those on hand. And guys,
that'd probably give you a little redder color.
Yeah, you wouldn't need no color.
No.
So guys, sugar, water, Karo syrup. You may have already everything there. So easy. And guys,
how many you think you'll make out of that?
I don't know. I don't know. Depends on how I can get my pan turned over to death.
You got 6 of them there.
Yeah. Oh, that one's going crooked. And if it gets too hard, you can always put it back on the heat. Reheat a little bit. Oh, it's getting
there, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. It don't take long. So, see if I can do. I'm gonna do this one here. It's lopsided. Yeah, it's starting to set up. All right, so that's what we got. There's a little bit in there. And
That's not worth turning on, is it?
No, I'm going to put that into...
Make some hardtack with it?
Maybe. Let me think what I'm going to do. I'm going to put on some parchment paper. If I can even get it out now.
I was going to say, you might not get it out now.
What? Be careful. And to get that out of your pan, all you gotta do is just let it soak in some water and that'll come right out. I was afraid if I put that directly in that bowl, it'd be in that bowl until I soaked it out. So, that's what we're gonna do.
Well, that was good thinking.
Alright, so now we're just gonna let those sit up a little bit and we'll be back for a taste test when they get hard. Candy apples finale! Taste test! Now, I don't know how this is going to go. So, I got the crooked apple. So, we're going to try and cut it with a knife. Bill wouldn't go out and get his chainsaw. So, he says I have to use a knife. We'll see. You know, it's really hard on your teeth when you do it. I haven't had one in years, so.
I haven't either. I don't know if my teeth will take it.
We're going to cut it. And I'm going to cut it again just because I don't want to have to show you guys in case I break a tooth on TV.
Don't do that.
All right.
I can hear it crunching.
Which is delicious.
Well, I have no doubt about that.
You can taste that little bit of cinnamon that's on there. Here, I'll let you taste it. Just don't get too close to the microphone. You'd be crunching all over that. It is good, isn't it?
That's really good.
So, yeah, I will be making these again. And it's not too thick on there that it does hurt your teeth. Unless you're going to eat it like this, maybe. But I'm going to use a knife to cut it up.
That's what I do.
That's what I do with the
Even
caramel
on the
apples.
caramel.
Yeah, so I don't want it all over my face. But guys, I'm going to get off here and I'm going to finish my apple and he's going to eat his with the nuts on it. So, first off though, what has four wheels and flies?
I give up.
A garbage truck.
How's the fly?
The flies.
Oh.
Flies.
Oh, has flies.
Yeah, and has flies. Did I say it? Oh, it has flies. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And hit that hype button. And thanks for watching the Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.